Hello all my lovely viewers, welcome to this diaper bag organization video. Here I will be showing how I organize diaper bag for my 1-year-old daughter. I have arranged it according to her needs, but you can always adjust it according to your baby's requirements. This is the 360-degree view of the diaper bag which I have. If you find it useful and get some benefit from it, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started. I would recommend to buy shoulder bag as it will be very convenient to carry it. Also, I personally prefer to buy neutral color bags so that anyone can carry it. I would also suggest to buy a bag with different compartments so that it becomes easy to grab and keep back things at their designated place and you don't get puzzled up while searching things with a baby. The most useful feature which I find of this bag is this click buttons on the straps of it. One can easily hang it on the stroller or pram. Let's move and get inside the main compartment of this bag. This comes along with the diaper changing mat. This is very convenient mat and is waterproof as well as spill proof and can be folded very easily. This is the assigned partition to keep this mat. Other things which I have kept here is 4 to 5 diapers. You can carry any number of diapers in it. Next is some wet wipes. This is the diaper rash cream. I always keep this whether required or not. Next is the hand sanitizer. The coolest part of this section is this two side pockets. These are the insulated pockets to store milk or food for the baby. It works great when you are traveling or outside home for few hours. These are two more pockets to keep your stuffs. Always keep a toy or two for baby. And this is Heen or Asafoetida in case of stomach ache. Babies usually suffer from this problem, so always keep this handy. Simply mix drop or two of water and here it becomes the Indian traditional medicine for the stomach ache. Simply apply it on baby's stomach area for quick relief. This is the formula powder. Don't carry it in a huge containers. Take some portions in small containers. This completes the main compartment. Now let's check the second compartment. This compartment is very useful as this can expand fully. I have kept here a nursing cover and a digital thermometer. I would recommend all to buy 2 thermometers, one for home and one to keep it in a diaper bag always. Next is some basic modifications required for baby like fever, cold and cough, loose motions, stomach ache, etc. Always keep the necessary medicines which your doctor has prescribed for your baby. Here are a pair of socks for cold and chilly days. Always keep your wallet, purse in a diaper bag so that you don't forget and also you don't have to carry it separately. Also, I have kept a napkin in case of spit ups and emergencies. And here is a comb. This completes this section of the diaper bag. This is the second side compartment. Here I keep a thin blanket for baby. This is a multi-purpose one. You can either swaddle baby in it or lay it on floor to make baby sleep. Next, I have kept some cotton balls if required in noisy area to cover baby's ear. Now comes the front pocket where I have kept bottle cover, and this pocket is very useful as this also comes along with the two insulated pockets to keep baby's food and milk. The quality of these insulation pockets are really very nice. In the front mesh pocket, I have kept some tissue paper and wet papers handy so I can grab it easily. This is the smallest compartment where I keep some rubber bands to wrap open food items and a mosquito repellent for baby. This also has a key holder to keep home keys in it. This completes all the compartment of the bag. Now there are two side pockets. In one I keep a thermos filled with warm water to make baby's milk or Cerelac and some rough clothes. These are use and throw clothes. The size of these clothes are huge, but I have folded them in such a manner that they becomes very small. And this side pocket I have kept water for baby. This completes whole diaper bag arrangement and essential items to keep in it. I hope some of you finds this video helpful. There is nothing right or wrong in arranging diaper bag for your baby. I have just wanted to show how I arrange according to my baby's need. In case of any suggestions, please do comment in the comment section below. See you soon with another video. Till then, please share this video with moms and especially new moms. Take care you all. Please subscribe if you find this video helpful. Bye for now.